Hi, my name is Tiffany Liu. I'm an undergraduate in the College of Biological Sciences, and I'm currently majoring in neurobiology, physiology, and behavior. I really enjoyed watching the Newest Emeriti Lectures, in particular Dr. Isaac Pesa's lecture on ryanodol and ryanodine as a potent biodegradable pesticide and a potential heat source solution in humans. Dr. Pesa specifically mentioned how he recognized the benefits of collaboration, especially with another professional from another field. And in his case, that's Andrew Waterhouse, and that how that allowed him to challenge the current dogma on RYR and its effects on heat stress. I found this particularly interesting for the fact that as an MPB major, I didn't really recognize how important environmental toxicology is to human physiology, even though it's basically based off the same principles. And as an undergraduate, I had just begun learning about the effects of RYR and how it's used in muscle contraction in my MPP 110A class. And I didn't expect it to be a current topic of study since it seemed very set in stone. Um, I didn't realize that it could have dramatic implications for life in the future, especially when it comes to heat stress. So thank you, Dr. Isaac Pesa, Dr. Qualset, Dr. Gentz, Dr. Seasbo, Dr. Lund. Congrats on your retirement, Dr. Lacey, and Dr. Hernandez Avila, Dr. Burtis, and Dr. Shapiro for the wonderfully informative and inspiring lectures.